Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare the most amazing jerk chicken. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell your family members, tell your friends about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on TikTok, Callie J's Kitchen. And make sure you follow me on Facebook too, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my chicken. It's already cleaned and washed nicely. I will go in and add some powdered seasoning. And please note that if you have other powder seasoning apart from what I'm using, you can always go ahead and add it as well. Please be creative, just utilize whatever you have in the kitchen and just have fun. So I add some seasoned salt. I will also add a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to add some paprika. And of course, I'm going to add my jerk seasoning. This jerk seasoning that I'm using is the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. But please note that they do have different brands of jerk seasoning on the market that you can always go ahead and use. You can always go ahead and even make your own jerk seasoning. And trust me, you will enjoy. So once I add all of that seasoning, it's time to go ahead and combine everything well. And you can always tip a little bit of olive oil, and that will help to keep your chicken moist once you put it on the grill. I will cover it and put it aside for roughly about an hour or an hour and a half. And then we're going to come back and go on the outside and light up our grill. Now you can always have this with some festival. You can have it by itself. You can even just add a little bit ketchup over it and just enjoy. Have it with some rice and peas, white rice, whatever you have at home. Just be creative. So I light up my grill, so it's time to go on the outside. And of course, you don't want a big fire underneath your grill. Just a small one will work perfectly fine. So I'm going to add my chicken and then I'm going to cover it and leave it there for roughly about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to come back after 20 minutes and show you guys what it looks like. And this was really quick and easy for the family. They do enjoy, and I'm sure your family will enjoy too. So after 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and flip it over on the other side, because of course we want the other side to be nicely cooked, and we want our chicken to be nicely cooked on the inside and also on the outside. So our chicken is coming along quite fine. Like I normally say to you guys, we don't need a big fire underneath it. So once this is nicely cooked, I'll show you guys what it looks like. And of course, we're going to go on the inside. We're going to add it to our plate, garnish, and show you guys the final product. So this was quick and easy, 45 minutes, and you are out of the kitchen. So this is what my chicken looks like, my jerk chicken, all nice and lovely. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them. And of course, I'm going to add some garnish and come back and show you guys the final product. Normally, I would make a sauce for it, but I decided not to. Just add a little bit of ketchup and enjoy. And this is the final product of my amazing jerk chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe and remember to turn on the post notification bell. So next week, Monday, you guys can catch me again. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. And I can't wait to see you again. Bye.